My feeling makakaon sa balot. What the feeling of eating the balot?
I'm eating a balot now. This is nothing special. Filipinos here eat it every day.
Yes, every day, bam bam.
Every day, yeah.
So do not scared of
let's
it.
go.
So
We have a flat side and we have a top side.
Yeah.
So what you do is you identify the flat side.
Yeah, here's
Okay.
the flat side.
Here's the flat
And
side.
then
Okay.
crack it with your head. Ado.
1, 2, 3. I can do it with my head, and then you can just leave the balat here.
Oh,
the
what's
lamisa.
the balat?
Okay.
Balat,
Pronounce
that's
it
what-
okay properly. What is it called?
Balat.
Okay.
Lat.
Oh, and here we have the nice balot, which is the juices of the balot,
Okay.
which is also a delicacy.
So you're a
You
pro,
take
huh?
this, and then you.
Isoyo.
Mm. The balat juice, balat
Oh,
juice. The balat
it
juice.
tastes like a chicken
good.
soup or a duck soup.
Soup. You soup the soup.
You soup the soup. But since it's a balot, you have to get rid of all the balat,
Balat.
and you will see a little duck embryo.
Ah. Oh, the poor
And it's very
duckling.
lami kaayo.
Lami the best.
So you're not scared anymore eating balot?
I'm not scared anymore. I was just,
Okay.
hold up from my very funny Filipino relative.
Oh, poor Donald.
For almost 35 years?
Oh, 35 years. So, as my, before I'm 50, I eat another balot.
So it's balut mukbang tonight.
It's balot mukbang. So you put some suka on it,
The big nigga.
the big nigger, and the salt. And then you just go.
Bon appetit.
Mmm.
Diba balut is best with
Yeah.
vinegar.
Yeah,
Balot is the best.
big nigger.
Mmm. Give me some more of the big nigger.
So now you can enjoy balut without without worrying.
Only thing I have is this. This is hard.
That's hard, yeah.
I'm not eating that.
I'm not a fan also.
That's the protein.
For-
It's me eating a balot. Cut na.